Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, introduce Daikin 3-zone, 3MXS24W, Ductless mini split A/C heat pump system, highlight features or overview summary are include. The new SEER2 Daikin's multi-zone systems are ideal for multi-room applications desiring individual room comfort in a space-saving design. Backed by Daikin's 12-year manufacturer warranty. A cutting-edge wall-mounted system designed to redefine your indoor comfort experience. With features like an indoor sound pressure as low as 22 decibels, the intelligent eye for energy savings, and 3D airflow, it offers unparalleled comfort. And the next highlight feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is, elevate your indoor comfort with a combination of Daikin indoor units. Including 9,000 BTU units designed to cover up to 350 square feet in each zone. With these feature-packed, intelligent wall-mounted systems, you'll experience premium comfort for life. These units come equipped with advanced features such as the intelligent eye for energy savings and horizontal auto-swing outlet fins for 3D airflow comfort. The included outdoor unit ensures efficient cooling and heating for both indoor units, making it perfect for multi-zone applications. This listing includes everything you need for installation, including installation kits, remote controls, interconnecting cables, and an outdoor wall bracket. Achieve control, energy efficiency, and long-term peace of mind with Daikin's innovative technology, backed by a 12-year manufacturer warranty. Upgrade your home's indoor climate control and experience the future of comfort and efficiency. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.